Okay, hi guys. So we're gonna do part C of this question. So part C of this question is asking us to show that the solutions are theta equal pi by 5 and theta equals 3 pi by 5. So all we have to do for this is actually quite simple. So if we do this, it's just we can factorize this equation that we have uh, as this. Uh, just remove the sine theta, 16 sine 4 theta minus 20 sine square theta plus 5. And then we know that it should equal to 0 for us to get a solution. So then we just do sine 5 theta equals to 0. What gets us to 0? So 5 times pi over 5 will get us pi. And 5 times 3 pi over 5 will get us 3 pi. So sine of pi and sine of 3 pi. These both will equal to 0. So um, hence we can just show that these two are the solutions. And we can also, like, if you want to think about another method for this, you can think that, oh, since sine theta will be equal to 0, then we can't say that there are other solutions besides for these two. So yeah, that's the main way to show that these two are the solutions. Then we can do part I. Let me just add a page. Okay. So for part I think this is there's a little bit more marks for this question because it's a little bit tricky, but not that tricky in my opinion. But so basically for this one, it's asking us to show that um, sine pi over 5 times sine 3 pi over 5 equals to that basically. So this is just we have to we have our equation, right? So we can just um, say that this is x squared essentially. So we can rewrite it as sine, no, not sine, as x squared minus 20x plus 5. So this brings familiar like notation like the quadratic formula, but in this case so because it's x squared, right, as our first part. So then we can just recognize that like sine pi over 5 times sine 3 pi over 5. This brings a product of roots type of look. So it should just be equal to c over a. So our product of roots will just be sine squared pi over 5 into sine squared 3 pi over 5 in this case. And we know that these two are the roots, so we can just use our equation. So this is a, b, c. Same here, a, b, c. This is from standard form plus bs plus c. So alpha beta equals to c over a. This product of roots. So alpha beta in our case is equal to 5 over 16, right? So 5 over 16. So then that means that now we have found the sine squared pi over 5, sine squared 3 pi over 5 is equal to 5 over 16. So now sine pi over 5 times sine 3 pi over 5 will just simply be equal to square root pi over 4. So yeah, that's just quite simple question. And if you guys have any questions, then do let me know in the comments. But yeah, other than that, this is quite a easy question because you can just see that, oh, these two represent x squared, and then the question asks you to write it in a product of roots form. So you can just remember this equation, product of roots, and then yeah, so in the IB, sum of roots and products of roots are quite important because they'll throw these type of questions at you. So yeah, and then part A, part C, I mean, this question like part I was also quite easy. So yeah, easy 7 marks. Then if you have any questions, do let me know. Thank you. Please like and share and subscribe.